Good evening, I'm Spencer Darlington. Welcome to Primetime Sports Monday, and we bowl off with cricket. A career-best triple-figure score from Deandra Dottin propelled the West Indies women to a 1-0 lead in their three-match one-day international series against Pakistan on Monday in Karachi. Karen Madden has the details.
West Indies head coach Courtney Walsh had set getting over 250 runs as one of the objectives going into this crucial series, and he could not have asked for a more ideal start from the Caribbean side. Captain Stephanie Taylor called wrong and saw her team inserted on a hot morning in Karachi. Openers Deandra Dottin and Rashada Williams got off to a good start before the Jamaican went for 15 in the 12th over. Kaishona Knight, coming in at 3, then retired hurt in the 13th over, while Taylor, the next batter in, did not stay much longer at the crease, making an 11-ball 6. But Hayley Matthews then joined Dottin in the middle and both steadied the innings. They kept the scoreboard ticking over regularly, which was punctuated with boundaries as Matthews brought up her half-century of 58 balls. It was soon Dottin's turn to bring up her big milestone as she got to her century of 124 balls. It was a player of the match performance in a knock comprised of 18 fours and 2 sixes. The returning Shemaine Campbell also contributed 23 in the West Indies total of 253 for 8. Anam Amin was the pick of the Pakistani bowling, taking 5 for 35. In reply, Pakistan were restricted to 208 for 9. Alia Riaz top scored for the home side with 46, supported by Imran Javed with 40. Matthews returned from her half-century performance to take 3 for 31, while Shakira Selman took 2 for 35. Captain Stephanie Taylor commended Dottin for her knock.
Well, it's always room for improvement. I guess when you look at the first 10 overs when we were batting, we didn't get a lot of singles, so I think that's something that we have to look at. I think all in all, I thought Deandra batted brilliantly to almost see the game home for us, and that's what we talk about. We talk about, you know, someone getting in and staying there until the end. So I thought that she did well to get us to a good, decent total.
And Dottin says maintaining her focus was critical after losing batting partners early in her innings.
Best thing I was going through my mind was that I got to bat through. I got to at least bat, if not 50 overs, I got to bat at least 40, 45 overs in order for us to have a good total on the board after those quick wickets. Basically, it was just playing the ball late, focusing on keeping my head still and playing straight in the field.
The second ODI is set for Thursday at the same venue. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.